If you want to start preparing for YCB exam, but you are feeling confused, overwhelmed, or not sure where to start from, then this video is for you. Namaskar, I am Rashmi and welcome back to yogaurora. आज के वीडियो में I am going to share with you how you can prepare for YCB exams, Yoga Certification Board exams. Remember that before opening your books, the first step is mindset. Yoga Certification Board is not testing that how much you can memorize the shlokas, sutras, or how perfectly you can do the advanced asanas. The Yoga Certification Board, the YCB board, wants to see if you understand yoga as a system. If you understand the yogic philosophies, if you understand the yogic practices in its original form. And you don't need to know everything today. It's a step-by-step process where you have to learn, so you have to be honest with your learnings, you have to be honest with your teachings. First and very important, which a lot of people skip, is understanding the syllabus. Understanding the syllabus slowly. You actually start studying without understanding, without knowing what you are actually preparing for. So my first suggestion is to open the syllabus, go through it slowly, try to get familiarize yourself with the syllabus. Like you meet a new person for the first time, you don't know everything about that person, you observe, you understand that person. So similarly, treat the syllabus like that new person in your life, where you try to unfold each and every aspect of that very slowly. Spend some time with the syllabus, try to understand and then prepare for it. Second step is to balance the theory with the practical. Some people just try to mug up, or some people just try to focus on the theoretical part, yogic philosophy part, and some people just try to focus on the practical part, the yoga asanas part, or the cleansing, or the whatever there is the practical part, they just try to focus on that. But YCB does not separate theory and practical. In fact, yoga does not separate theory and practical. So you have to focus on both equally to make your understanding authentic about the yoga practices. When you practice asana, notice your breath. So that's why when you read the theory, try to relate it with your practical experience of life, and then only you can understand the true meaning of yoga. In the next step, instead of asking what all should I remember, instead think that what does this mean in my life? Like for example, talk about yamas and niyamas. Or let's talk about badaka tattva and sadhaka tattva. Instead of memorizing what is this, instead of memorizing the sequence, the significance of that, try to relate it with your own life. What all you are learning from these yamas, niyamas, sadhaka tattvas, badaka tattvas, implement it in your life. Because when understanding is clear, the answers will become very natural. And the last step, but very, very important, implement small yogic habits in your life. Preparation for these exams is not just about the study hours. It's about how you inculcate these habits, these learnings in your own life. Because even small changes in you reflect strongly in your personality. That reflects in your exams very clearly. So examiners can understand if you have mugged up, or if you're here just to clear the exam, or you have actually understood and started living that yogic life. Practice yamas and niyamas in your life. Do the regular practice, do the regular sadhana of asanas, pranayama, mudra practices. Whatever is mentioned in the syllabus, try to relate it with your life, try living that. And with all of this, clearing the exams is secondary. You're going to be a very good yoga teacher. So if you were confused before starting your yoga certification journey, remember that does not mean that you were not ready. It's just that you were not guided properly. If you need any guidance, I am available. You can message me on WhatsApp. And also we have specialized courses available to help you prepare for this journey. For that, you can reach out to me on WhatsApp, or you can explore the courses on our website. The link is mentioned in the description below. Thank you for watching this video. Stay healthy and stay happy. And don't forget to subscribe the channel for more such videos.